Coming up is a 30-minute killer upper body and abs workout. You'll perform 8 exercises back to back in the circuit style workout that'll target your shoulders, biceps, triceps, back, chest, and core. All you need is a set of light to moderate dumbbells and a mat. Now in this workout, we're gonna be doing something a little different today, which is it's gonna be a no talking workout. I will be providing minimal cues, but for the most part, you are going to be on your own so that you can really focus on the movements and blast those tunes and have a good time. I would love to hear your feedback on that, so let me know at the end of your workout in the comments below. Are you ready? Let's do this. Let's start with 2 big deep breaths. Shoulder circles. Reverse. Side to side rotations. Field goal, open and close. Hip hinge, I, Y, and T. Standing oblique crunches. Inchworms. Downward dog to a high plank.
I get around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not.
Modified push-ups.
For us, and now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested. Open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadowing me, I won. Oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun.
Alternating bird dogs.
I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna.
Ready for your first move. It's gonna be a strict shoulder press. Moderate dumbbells. First 30 seconds, just a strict shoulder press, and then the last 30 seconds, push press. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadowing me, I won. Oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun.
Push press.
I just wanna dance, just wanna
And time. Next, tricep halo with a standing crunch. One dumbbell, bring it around, crunch, and switch directions. Let's go. And rest. Underhand row to reverse fly. Grab some lighter weights. Palms facing out. Row, fly. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Good. From here, bicep platter to a skull curl. Come back in. Light weights. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, rest. Push up with a side plank rotation. One dumbbell, push up, reach that dumbbell up. Time starts now. 3, 2, 1, rest. Good. Single leg, dumbbell V-ups with a light dumbbell. One dumbbell up overhead, tap the toe. Three, 2, 1. Good. Lat pullover with a leg extension. So one dumbbell, bring it above the head as you extend the legs, come back in. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Just call you when the moon is rising. I'm craving every moment with you. I can't just need you when the tides are turning. I cherish every second with you. I've got to hold on to your heart every day of the week.
3, 2, and 1. Good. From here, we're gonna go weighted dumbbell toe crunches. Just bring it up and down. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Three, 2, 1, and rest. 1 minute break. All right, going back to the very top again, starting with the strict shoulder press into the push press. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. push press. And rest. Tricep halo with your standing crunch. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1, rest. Underhand row to your reverse fly. Using some lighter weights. 3, 2, 1. Time. Coming up, bicep platter to your skull curl. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, rest. Push up with side plank rotation. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy.
2, and 1. Time. Okay. Single leg, V-ups. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. Lat pullover with leg extension. There we go. 3, 2, 1.
I just wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine, 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 mine. I just wanna make you mine. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you.
Three, 2, and 1. Toe crunches. 3, 2, 1. And time. 1 minute break. All right, so for next round, we're gonna do 30 seconds of work followed by 10 seconds of rest. Starting with shoulder press, maybe push press. Three, 2, 1, let's go.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch
Push
us.
press.
We found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Oh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh,
tricep halo with standing crunch. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Underhand row to reverse fly. 3, 2, 1.
We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. 'Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we holding the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. We're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're gonna run till the end and we run without
3,
shame.
2, 1. Next up we have bicep platter to skull curls. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, and 1. Push up. With side plank rotation. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, and 1. Single leg V-ups. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Lat pullover with leg extension. 3, 2, 1. And time. Last move. Dumbbell crunches. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, and 1. Rest. Awesome job. Slowly work your way on up. Upper body, core, done. I hope you enjoyed today's workout. If you did, please give me some feedback. I hope you enjoyed today's workout. If you did, please give me some feedback and let me know if you like the no talking style workouts or if you like more cues. Give me that feedback in the comments. And if you want more from me, check out this video here to double up and get that momentum rolling. And if you need more support on your health and fitness journey, grab my free quick start guide for women down in the description below. I give you some workout tips, nutrition tips to help you live your healthiest, fittest life. As always, claim your crown.